Hello, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing questions of science and technology. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. Now here we are discussing the questions of the science and technology from 1 to 6. Here one question number 2, and question number 3. All you need to write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5 you need to write in 200 to 150 words. And last one, which is question number 6, is a project based question and you need to write in the 500 words. And for your information, we have written all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.